Jadi, dia memang ada pelbagai masalah kesihatan sejak sekolah. So, I was diagnosed with autoimmune endometriosis. Ada juga eczema, psoriasis, heart issues and many other more. And memang sakit 24/7, terutamanya muscle pain. Dan tak boleh bekerja long hours, so I had to quit my two professions. Mesti tidur 12 hingga 15 jam. So just imagine half of my day just gone with sleeping. Sebab selalu kepenatan. Lepas tu memang mudah penat nak melakukan simple task. Contohnya nak driving pun, lepas after that I have to sleep for 2 hours. Masak kena sleep for 2 hours. Every simple task mesti tidur 2 jam. So that's why my days are just gone by sleeping. Kemudian Mela dah jumpa macam-macam doktor pakar, 7 specialist, you name it, semua, cardiologist, immunologist, rheumatologist, gynecologist and many more. And I also seek alternative treatments. Jumpa chiro, physio, buat massage therapist, ambil functional foods tapi bukan DE punya, supplements, you name it, I've tried it all. Kemudian dah 2 kali surgery for my endometriosis dan juga 6 months hormonal therapy. If you see the first picture tu, I was in the UK sebab sambung study, so I don't have any family. So my family was just my daughter. She was 10 at that time in 2017. That was my first surgery, laparoscopic surgery. And then the second surgery, if you can see, yang endosis tu is really big, the size of 15 cm punya ruler. So hospital was my second home. So journey with Aurora Pens, pernah dengar actually Aurora Pens ni back in 2019, tapi masa tu pasti tak terbuka nak try. And then bila my upline DCA Azrin Ali, dia ada kat sini, dia buka filing and then I understand the technology and I understand how it works. Lepas tu Bena terus dapatkan pair dengan socks sekali, tapi masa tu bukan beli untuk nak improve my health issues, sebab nak travel. So first 3 months macam Hidayah dan Shell dia cepat tau. Bena ada improvement tu gradual, tapi kalau pay attention memang betul-betul ada. Kalau you tak pay attention mungkin you tak notice. So for me 4 months. So betul lah dia cakap, you have to wear consistently for the first 4 months especially because cycle kita, dia sel darah tu diperbaharui every 120 days. So Bena teruskan je pakai kan. Adalah sedikit healing crisis, terutamanya berpeluh excessively walaupun kat tempat sejuk. Dan Alhamdulillah, almost 2 years with Aurora Pens now, my energy is super amazing. Kalau dulu tak boleh nak drive, now hari tu Bella drive, buat field work, Terengganu pergi balik. Ada je co-driver, my upline kat sebelah, dia dah tunggu nak ganti. But I don't have to ask her to drive. Boleh pergi balik drive Terengganu and then balik buat field work kat Johor, pergi balik drive pun masih okay lagi. So my husband sangat terkejut, my family semua terkejut sebab dia kata dia selalu buat macam ni tau. Dulu you macam ni lah, sekarang you betul-betul bertenaga. So dia kata dari mayat hidup kepada betul-betul hidup. So sekarang tak mudah jatuh sakit. Dulu sikit-sikit kena ulcer, demam, sesama. Now tak ada dah. And rasanya dah sejak pakai Aurora tak pernah ambil painkiller, kecuali sekali je, hari tu sebab terpaksa kan. And then kurang muscle and period pain, lepas tu period lebih lancar. Tak ada lagi pelvic pain. Kalau tak pelvic pain ni almost 24/7. Even tak ada period pun ada pelvic pain, especially kalau nak buang air. Memang sangat sakit. So tak boleh nak duduk, tak boleh nak driving, tak boleh nak buat apa-apa. And then now dah boleh buat simple task, dah boleh masak, dah boleh driving kan, dah boleh jalan-jalan. And then kalau tak dulu tidur lama, now 8 jam je sudah cukup. So I'm very grateful. I don't spend so much time in bed. So this is my advice to all of you who haven't tried Aurora yet. So after living with pain for more than 30 years, sebenarnya actually it's more than 30 years because my mom cakap I was sick baby. So I'm now 43. So actually I've been living in pain since 43. Since 43 years ago. Tapi tak sebab baby kita tak ingat kan. So Aurora Pens was my last resort. So make it your first. You won't regret it. Trust me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.